Hey, good morning everyone. Aviator 51 here. It's about 7:10 in the morning. The sun is about to rise. Today I'm headed to the airport. I'm celebrating my 10 years of flying. It's been 10 years since I got my private pilot license, private pilot certificate, whichever you wanted to call it. So the plan today is to go to one of the mountain airports, North Georgia mountain airports, called Blairsville. I've never been there. I heard they have a new NVO. Also, the fall foliage is in full swing today in North Georgia. So I thought I would check out and go to Blairsville, maybe get a coffee or something. Check out their NVO. Back. It's a simple mission today. So I hope you like this video. I will see you guys in the air.
KDZJ Tower, number 66 Romeo Delta, holding short 3 left, Foxtrot.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, please 3 Tower. Causeway service departed. Habitation up the fairway runway. Left turn up by runway 3 left at Foxtrot, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff for 66 Romeo Delta at 3 left, Foxtrot. Thank you. KDZJ Tower, would you mind if we back taxi, sir?
If you need to, you need a back taxi?
Yeah, I'll do that.
Okay, ride the back taxi approved. Runway 3 left, clear for takeoff. November 6 Romeo Delta.
6 Romeo Delta, back taxi, clear for takeoff, 6 Romeo.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, frequency free upgrade.
Frequency change approach, 6 Romeo Delta, thank you. Alright guys, like I said, I'm headed to Blairsville. I climbed to 5,500. But as you can see, there are mountains around. So the 4,400 is considered a safer altitude there. Okay, so it's a beautiful day out here. It's a very beautiful, crisp fall day. So it's pretty mountainous around this airport. So my idea is head to Blairsville. So this is something that I've learned over the years that I've been doing is that I'm going to an unfamiliar airport and if terrain being so I go look at the place, see if there is an instrument approach to that airport. So usually, in the instrument approach, follow that instrument approach, you're generally clear of terrain and guaranteed some communication and navigation coverage. So Blairsville has an approach, so it's a GPS. So that's what you have on my way. So I'm going to follow some of the GPS approach. The way I do it is I follow the instrument approach. So even if you're not an instrument pilot, you should still be able to get benefited by following instrument approaches. So this is not something very hard to do. So maybe a good time to do the fuel tank. Do that. Fuel pressure looks good. So I want to leave some amount of room. I'm not big into low and slow. The best way to fly is go high and fast. Okay, there's an alert area coming up that's usually active by no time.
Warren County traffic down to
So, but that extends from up to 700 feet.
Warren County.
So we'll watch out for any of the low-flying aircraft.
Gunnersville traffic, that's a simple one thing, but it's 5 miles east, still making on 45, left downwind 35, Gunnersville.
So this is, I'm on 122.8, and you know, most people know that that's the most popular frequency.
10 miles.
So stay here, see how it is, how turbulent it is. If it is turbulent, I'll probably turn around or not. So when you're flying in the mountain, I don't have much mountain flying experience, but from what I was told, you're flying or when you're crossing a ridge, you need to make sure that your
Calhoun traffic, Skyhawk 45 Tango, 9 miles.
you try to avoid crossing a ridge. The wind elapsed greater than 20 or 25 miles per hour. So that's when you expect most of the turbulence. Beautiful scenery around here. Another thing I wanted to show you guys is carbon monoxide detector. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, so when you're flying in the winter, and I have my cabin heat on. So you probably learned in your primary training that carbon monoxide is a dangerous gas that can incapacitate a pilot. Carbon monoxide detector is really a cheap clearance. Something like this, it's 100, 150 bucks, maybe 200 bucks at tops. So that could potentially warn you of a carbon monoxide detection in the cockpit. So last year I was considering getting one. I did not know which one to get. So I bought about 4 versions of carbon monoxide detector. So you can see that I have one of these too, but that doesn't work anymore. So I did testing on 3 different carbon monoxide, primarily to know how it actually works, so that I can be prepared. So I've tested 3 carbon monoxide detectors. I found the one that I have is the best one, primarily designed for pilots. So I actually made a video on that, so you can go check it out in my playlist, or I can put a link below. Alright, so I am about 16 miles to the destination next. So it's a pretty mountainous terrain around here. So it might be a good idea to climb a little bit more, so I'm gonna go ahead and go for 6,500. Because there's not many options around here. So I'm climbing to 6,500, so it gives me a little bit more room for to negotiate.
J321 Romeo.
Because terrain below is only about 2,000 feet.
West, entering downwind, 25, full stop, Gunnersville. Automatic weather observation, 1347, Zulu, weather, wind, calm, visibility, 1, 0, 1.
Alright, the winds are calm. So I got 11 minutes to go. You can see the valley there. I'm about 6,500 feet right now. Beautiful, beautiful mountain terrain here. Fall is in full swing here. So let me look at the airport elevation is roughly 2,000. So my traffic pattern altitude is Blairsville traffic, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, about 10 miles to the west inbound at Blairsville.
4 miles, maybe Gunnersville.
Alright, I can pretty much see the airport is just right over there. Alright, turn the autopilot off. Start turning. Blairsville traffic, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, about 9 miles to the west inbound Blairsville.
Hey, everybody.
The fuel pump on. The landing light on.
Albert County.
Have light off.
33 X-ray Echo 3 mile final for runway 11 Albert County.
It's really beautiful here. Blairsville traffic, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta board, 6 miles to the west inbound, straight in runway 8 if there is no traffic, Blairsville.
Traffic not available.
Blairsville traffic, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta board, 3 miles, 3 miles to the airport, 3 miles to the west, on long final for runway 8, Blairsville. Very high now, but okay. So I never landed here before. If I have to go around, I'm just gonna go straight ahead and take a turn. Bad. So it looks like an upsloping run. How I do. About 70 knots, carb head in. Blairsville traffic, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, clear of runway 8, Blairsville.